Wow, what an amazing view that this outdoor entertaining deck has. This could be all yours. Hi, I'm Georgia Ryan from Bayleys Real Estate, and I'm here at my new listing at 524 Moetapu Bay Road. Come on, let's go take a look around. This main dwelling enjoys spacious open-plan living that leads out to the deck here and is accompanied by two generous-sized bedrooms. Second wee dwelling here, also known as the Batch, is a separate self-contained unit perfect for guest accommodation. The large section is incredibly private and has been designed to be low maintenance and easy care. With a right-of-way down to the beach here, your very own mooring and access to the neighbours' jetty, everything is here for you to enjoy your holiday. If this looks like you and you'd like to organise a viewing, give me a call today and we'll make it happen.